All right, YouTube. Hey, Josh here on location. Check this one out right here. A 30 by 48, 12 feet tall. In this short little video, I'm going to share with you actually a couple different things that our builders are doing here. Actually, we got a crew of 2 here. All right, but a 30 by 48, 12 here. And on this video, I'm going to share with you kind of the textured wainscot, and also it's got a different roof texture or roof color as well. So stay with me here, okay? So let's go ahead and knock this one out right here. Actually, that wainscot right there, 3-foot section, but that's actually a textured panel, okay? Now on the roof here, I don't know if you saw this, but let me kind of go a little bit closer to this so you can see this. See that right up there? You can see that right there above the eyebrow. See that? Let me get this a little bit closer so you can see that, okay? So what this is actually, guys, is if you check this out, actually it's got a different color. And you can see that as I pan this over on that ladder. Now it's chalked up a little bit, but you can see the different variation on that, okay? So 30 by 48, 12, all right? 3 by 4 windows. Now this young lady, she wanted that trim. I know on a video I cut maybe like a week ago, we had the trim. Now you can do it a couple different ways, okay? But you can see that textured panel. See that? There's no glare on that. See that? And then also the sidewall, that's a regular pattern. But you see how we set this up now? She didn't want the sidewall metal to be underneath this window, this 3 by 4 window. So our guys set that up to match the wainscot, okay? So again, 29 gauge, and you can see what she did as far as the outside corners there. You see matching that sidewall trim, but that's a 3-foot cupola as well. All right, so a nice looking building out here in Ohio, but maybe you can see a little bit better. See that roof? Let me get you a little bit closer so you can see that. See how it's got that pattern to it? So if you can imagine that on the roof right there, okay? So our guys here, you can see they're knocking this out, the wainscot. All right, see, let me stand back. Maybe you can see this as I pan over here. See that, the roof on this? It's got a different pattern to it. All right, it's actually different than the wainscot, similar, but you can see how the sun's hitting that right there. So imagine what I showed you there in that little step ladder right there. And then actually, you see that right there? It's got a different pattern. It's got that 3-foot wainscot. All right, so you can see how we set this up. All right, and see the eyebrow as well. So you can see you got the metal. Let me back this up so you can see this. All right, 30 by 48, 12. See how we set that up? See the ribs coming off there? And then let's take you inside here, then I'll wrap this one up here. Okay, 4-foot on center truss spacing. You can see the 2x6 bottom, 2x6 top cord. Now we utilize a vapor barrier on this, okay? Then also, I haven't talked about this in a while, but look at this treated board underneath the man door that we set up, okay? Then also, I want to share with you how we do the truss blocks, okay? You can see that if we set the trusses on the 3-ply, we set it right up there, but if the trusses aren't set on the 3-ply, look at the 2x6. Actually, we drill 4 nails in from the interior yellow pine, and then also from the exterior yellow pine. That kind of gives you an idea. All right, again, your comments are always welcome. And we're in process here. A couple new wrinkles here on that metal on the roof. All right, so again, your comments are always welcome. Keep it locked, keep it loaded right here, Attica Lumber, atticalumber.com.